Hello everyone, in this video we will see the attachments or the muscles of the pectoral region. So this is the pectoral region, that is the front of the chest wall. Here we can feel the clavicle. So this is the clavicle and this is the jugular notch, and over midline we have the sternum and this is the epigastric fossa. So these are the surface landmarks of the pectoral region. In the soft tissues we can see this is the nipple and the areola, which is present on the pectoral region. Now for the dissection of the muscles of pectoral region, we have given some incisions, like one over the clavicle, one in the midline, and this is the oblique incision surrounding the nipple and areola, and this is the horizontal incision at the level of the epigastric fossa. Now we have reflected this to see the muscles of the pectoral region. So first muscle we got is the pectoralis major. So this is the pectoralis major. It is having the clavicular fibers originating from the anterior surface of medial two-thirds of the clavicle. These are the sternocostal fibers which are arising from the lateral half of the sternum and upper sixth costal cartilages, and these are the aponeurotic fibers which are arising from the aponeurosis of external oblique muscle. So these fibers from the lower part, these are going towards the upper aspect. So the direction is the for upwards, and the clavicular fibers, they are running horizontally. So thus this gives a twisted appearance of this muscle. So that is why this muscle is twisted at its insertion site, and this muscle is inserting on the humerus, on the lateral lip of the intertubercular sulcus. We have a bilaminar tendon of the pectoralis major muscle. So this is the insertion of the pectoralis major. Now the action of this muscle is doing the flexion and the adduction of the shoulder. So the adduction, then the flexion, and the medial rotation of the shoulder is done by the pectoralis major. Now we see the nerve supply of this muscle. So for this we have reflected this muscle from its origin towards its insertion, and now we got this is the lateral pectoral nerve which is supplying to this muscle. So this is the lateral pectoral nerve. This is also supplied by the medial pectoral nerve. Here we can see this is the medial pectoral nerve. Now we see the second muscle in the pectoral region, that is the pectoralis minor. So this is the pectoralis minor. It is arising from the third, fourth and fifth ribs, and is inserting over the superior surface of the coracoid process of the scapula. So here we have the superior surface of the coracoid process of the scapula. We got the insertion of the pectoralis minor, and the action of this muscle is the protraction of the scapula along with the serratus anterior muscle. The nerve supply of this muscle is by the medial pectoral as well as the lateral pectoral nerves. So these are the two nerve supply of this muscle. Now we see the third muscle of the pectoral region, that is the subclavius muscle. So this is the subclavius muscle. This is small muscle. It is arising from the superior surface of the first rib and its adjoining costal cartilage, and it is inserting on the subclavian groove on the inferior aspect of the clavicle. The action of this muscle is that it steadies the clavicle during the movement of the shoulder. Also beneath this muscle we have the axillary vessels and the brachial plexus. So this muscle is protecting these neurovascular bundles which are located behind this muscle. So this is all about the muscles of pectoral region. Thanks for watching.